Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth device with our HUAWEI. So first you should enable the Bluetooth on each of these devices. I got here activated the Bluetooth device, the Bluetooth on my device. Here you can see the already available device, so click here to pair my device, and here you should click now just to pair that, and here to just to confirm. And now just wait a little, and here as can you see we got here our new device just in pair devices, and here also we got the message that our device successfully connected with this device. So that's it, that's how to connect the two devices with the Bluetooth. And just if you want to turn off this option, you can click here to connect, and to disconnect or just to forget this device, click here to forget. And here as can you see, we just by the same way we can also connect these devices. And just if you want to turn it off, just turn off the Bluetooth here in the settings on each of device, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.